Indiegogo is a crowdfunding platform known for its flexible funding options, allowing creators to keep raised funds even if goals aren't fully met. First, create and verify your account. Sign up with an email or social media and complete verification for compliance, especially for equity campaigns. Next, define your project basics with a compelling title, a concise description under 135 characters, and choose a relevant category like tech or health. Set a realistic funding goal, such as an average of $50,000 for rewards campaigns, and choose a campaign duration between 30 and 60 days. Design tiered perks or rewards, such as stickers for small donations or prototypes for larger ones, to motivate backers. This rewards-based approach is key to Indiegogo's model. Emphasize the problem your project solves, highlight your team's expertise, and showcase the project's impact using high-quality visuals and a clear narrative. Finally, detail how the funds will be used. For example, 40% for production and 20% for marketing, to build trust with potential backers. Before launching your Indiegogo campaign, build pre-launch buzz through social media and email lists to generate initial interest. Submit your campaign for review before going live. After launch, promote your campaign using Indiegogo's built-in sharing tools to reach more backers. Choose flexible funding to keep raised money even if you don't meet your goal, or fixed funding, which requires hitting the target. Aim to secure 10 to 20% of your funding in the first 48 hours to build momentum. Provide regular updates to maintain engagement and transparency with your backers. Remember to fulfill your promised perks to keep backers satisfied. Indiegogo charges 5% fees on successful campaigns plus payment processing costs.